Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to the entertainment world. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $40 million. Well, how do we say their name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Orlando Bloom, Orlando Bloom, or Lando Bloom, Orlando Bloom. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Orlando Bloom, Orlando Bloom, or Lando Bloom, Orlando Bloom. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.